he meowed. A gentle story. Lately, there's someone I've been curious about. An old man who always sits on his porch, quietly drinking tea. We greet each other sometimes, but he never really looks at me or smiles. I always thought he seemed a little scary. One day, I saw a tiny cat rubbing against his feet. I was curious. I really wanted to pet the little cat, but I didn't have the courage to talk to him. So I only stole a quick glance. "Go on now, off you go," the old man said, sounding a little annoyed. But the next day, I noticed a cardboard box and a blanket under the eaves. So he does have a kind side, I thought, and it made me a little happy. After a while, the box was gone. I whispered without thinking. I wondered if he had chased the cat away. It made me feel a little sad. But then I heard something coming from inside his house. "Mi-chan, don't chew on that." "Hey, wait. I couldn't see them, but I understood right away. He had decided to keep the cat. I felt so happy that I couldn't stop smiling. I even skipped a little on my way home. A little while later, I saw the cat curled up, sleeping on the old man's lap. He gently stroked the cat with the softest hands. Without thinking, I waved to him. He noticed me and shyly waved back. It felt like I had received a small piece of happiness. Maybe tomorrow I'll wave again